मेरा नाम प्रदीप शर्मा है। मैं क्रेडिट डिपार्टमेंट में ब्रांच क्रेडिट मैनेजर हूँ, होम लोन मोतीलाल ओसवाल होम फाइनेंस में। लॉकडाउन के दौरान मैंने काफ़ी चैलेंजेस फेस किए। 22 तारीख को लॉकडाउन हुआ था, लेकिन इसी दौरान मैं थोड़ा सा अपनी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम में भी फंसा हुआ था, क्योंकि मेरे फादर सीवियर हार्ट पेशेंट हैं और उनकी दोनों किडनियाँ खराब हो चुकी थी और उन्हें बहुत ही मुझे फ्रिक्वेंटली हॉस्पिटलाइज करना पड़ता था। और मैं भी अपने परिवार में फिलहाल उस टाइम अकेला था, मैं और मेरी मदर थे, और मेरे साथ मेरी 2-2.5 महीने की बच्ची रहती थी। तो मुझे मेरे फादर को हफ्ते में कभी 1 बार या कभी 2 बार या कभी 3 बार भी हॉस्पिटल ले जाना पड़ता था। इस प्रकार से मैं महीने में कम से कम 15 से 20 दिन मेरे हॉस्पिटल में ही गुजरते थे, और उसी दौरान मुझे अपने ऑफिस का काम भी मैनेज करना पड़ता था। तो मैं ऑफिस का काम ऐसे मैनेज करता था कि वहाँ से टाइम ले लेता था हॉस्पिटल से मेरे फादर को ले जाने के लिए, और उसी बीच में मैं ऑफिस आकर अटेंडेंस लगाता था। जो भी पेंडिंग काम था उसकी लिस्ट बना लेता था और मेरे फादर को लेके फिर मैं हॉस्पिटल चले जाता था। और वहाँ पर मेरे फादर को डॉक्टर को जो भी ट्रीटमेंट रहता था, उनका रेगुलर ट्रीटमेंट करवाने के बाद मैं उनको घर पर छोड़ता था, और फिर वहाँ से फिर ऑफिस आकर जो मेरे पेंडिंग काम रहते थे जिसकी मैं लिस्ट बना चुका था, फिर मैं वो फिनिश करता था। और मेरा काफ़ी समय तक यही लंबे समय तक ऐसे ही दिनचर्या चलता रहा।
Hi everyone, this is Asghar Ali Ansari and I am working with Motilal Oswal Financial Service Limited in IT department. Since past 3 years, I have been working from my head office since lockdown has started. Initially, it was quite challenging for me, but after a few weeks, I got a different atmosphere. So I am very glad that I kept myself busy during the lockdown. At one point, I missed my family during the eve of Ramzan, as I could not break my fast with them. But however, our admin team made me very comfortable by providing boarding and lodging during this pandemic situation. I especially thanks from IT team, Sabu sir and Shiv Pujan Sharma and Seul sir. Thank you.
For the non-trading applications. Since trading is essential activity, I am required to go to the office in this critical time. Generally, I used to travel by Ola Uber in this time, and sometime I used to travel by my own vehicle. And initial days, I was very scared about this COVID situation, but business should be up and running. So I used to go to the office in this time, and emotionally I'm very strong, but I was scared about my family, that my family shouldn't get affected due to this, and hence I'm very thankful to my family and my senior person for their care and concern in this pandemic time. Thank you so much.
बसंत मीन्स है, मैं कैंटीन में काम करता हूँ। कैंटीन का काम करके कैशियर का काम संभालता हूँ। इसके लिए मुझे बहुत ही दुख उठाना पड़ा, और मुझे मोतीलाल कंपनी ने बहुत कुछ काम करने को सिखाया, और जिसे मेरे घर वालों से बहुत ही याद आ रही थी, जिसे कि 3 महीना से घर नहीं जा पा रहा था। इसके लिए मैं मोबाइल से ही बात कर लेता था।
I'm Shashank Naik. I joined Risk Department in Motilal Oswal family. I joined a week before lockdown started. My colleague were staying little far from the office, so my team and reporting head, we all decided that people who are staying nearby will come to office. One of my colleague was staying here for 1 or 2 months time. Along with him, somebody has to be there, so I prefer to come to office. With all the precautions, like I was traveling by my personal vehicle. There were a number of obstacles, like on the road, police were stopping us. In building, society people were not allowing, because if you get infected, the society will get quarantined for 15 days. Others have to suffer because of me. So number of things were there, but when you have to do something, you will have to come out of all the situations. So I tried my best, and I managed to come to office on a daily basis. And along with this, I took all the precautions, because if I get infected, my family at home get infected, and family at Motilal Oswal get infected. I have a small daughter, she who's less than 10 years, and my parents who are 70 plus. So I have to be very careful while traveling and communicating with anyone. So I took my best, I gave my best, and tried to prove myself if I can do best. With the help of team members, my reporting heads, admin department who gave a letter. Because of that, I was able to convince police department. They were stopping me in the road. So there are a number of things came in, or like an obstacle, but I tried to manage all the things. And when Motilal Oswal is giving his best to employees, like we are getting salary on time. There are companies who are not giving salary on time, but Motilal has given salary to on time. Along with that, there was no deduction from company, and people who are already working in company got bonus and everything. So Motilal is giving his best. So I have to try giving my best, and I tried my giving best. And thank you for recognizing my efforts. That's it. What else I can say? Thank you.